get started with the project. I don't need this cat. I need a backdrop. Let's choose the sprite. Then I'm going to change the size of this diver to 75. Next is our pipes. So I'm going to paint them. I'm going to coat it. I'm not going to change the Y position, but I will change the X position. Forever loop. Now I'm going to draw some more. Now we have to coat the diver. I want my diver to move according to the motion of one's face. So I have to take the video sensing block over here. So I'm going to add that. So when the flag is clicked, I want to turn on my video and you're just going to allow it. Transparency is 50%. Now let's move this diver. If I press the space key, I want the diver to go up. Otherwise, I want it to move down. This is going to move. Also do the coding for if it is touching the pipe. If it is touching the pipe, I want the game to stop. So this is working, but I want that instead of the space key, I can have like mouse down also. So it can be played on the mobile. It can work on the mobile also because the mobile user are going to tap on the screen. I want to control it with my face, so I can have the OR operator if the mouse is down, or let's do it with the camera on. So in video sensing we have this block, video motion on sprite. We can't put directly over here because we have to compare it with the value. So let's go to operator and let's take this comparative operator, and then I will put this video motion on sprite in this block. Then let's put the value as 15. So now I will keep my camera on. Yes, it is moving. Let's do it again. Yeah. Controlling, right. So I can have this over here as well. So both of the things are going to work. Demo or message, I'm going to type it with a sprite. When this is touching the pipe, I want it to broadcast a message which is received by this sprite, and then it is going to display. So after broadcasting the message, it's going to be received by this. When I receive game over, we are going to show it. And when the flag is clicked, you are going to hide it. We also want to have a start button, so let's draw the start button as well. After this, I want that when I click on this start button, only then the game should start. When this sprite is clicked, I'm going to broadcast a message again. After broadcasting the message, it is going to be hidden. I want this game should start only when I click on the start button. When clicked, I want it to be hidden. And it is going to be shown when it will receive game start. So let's see. Right, this is working, and I also changed this setting that when I receive the game start, only then this diver should start working. After that, I want the score. So let's create the variable score. We'll take the compare operator. I'm going to compare the value of x, position of x less than minus 40, let's say it's minus 40. The score should be increased by 1. And we should also set the value to 0 whenever we start the game. Now let's add the sound. Whenever I will increase the score, so I can have the point sound. Sound for starting the game. So now our game is ready, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below. You can of course add a lot more in this. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get a notification for such new games and videos. Subscribe to my channel. It will give me encouragement when you like, subscribe and comment to my videos. Do wait for the next video, new exciting video. Till then, keep scratching, keep coding. Goodbye.